A small town on the Arizona border near Utah is facing a healthcare crisis after the Arizona Department of Health Services launched an investigation into an ambulance provider crossing into the state.
For over 40 years, residents in the small town of Fredonia have counted on Kane County, Utah EMS to answer their medical calls. But now Fredonia's mayor is declaring an emergency. 12 News journalist Kyle Simchuk reports from the Arizona-Utah border.
Fredonia, Arizona, population 1,300. It's a typical small town with a church, school, and post office. But what it doesn't have is a hospital or ambulance. Thankfully, just 8 miles away, the town of Kanab, Utah does. And for more than 40 years, Kane County paramedics have been more than happy to cross the border to treat and transport Arizona patients.
Relatives, neighbors, coworkers, friends, they're part of the community for us.
Mary Clough's family lives in Fredonia and has relied on Kane County EMS more than once.
Both of my late paternal grandparents, towards the end, they were falling a lot, didn't have the best balance.
The Arizona Department of Health Services told Kane County EMS they were operating illegally. This after the City of Page Fire Department filed a complaint alleging Kane County was coming into their service area without proper state certification. But Page does not service Fredonia, and Kane County says they only go to Page when they're asked.
There is just tons of drama in the EMS world.
According to Kane County EMS and the Fredonia mayor, they've been trying to get Arizona certification, but their applications have been repeatedly delayed or withdrawn. Will Humble, former Arizona Health Services director, says these disputes usually come down to money.
It was about somebody taking somebody else's cheese, taking transports that they think they're entitled to.
Now, Fredonia is caught in the middle. Mayor Don Johnson.
Which was a shock to us. They hadn't called us or notified us in any way. It was just sprung on us.
The Arizona Department of Health Services said Kane County is under investigation for violating licensure rules. Still, rules allow outside agencies to cross the border when requested by law enforcement or during major emergency events. Now, Fredonia residents fear they would have to find their own ride to the hospital or wait 45 minutes for the nearest Arizona ambulance in Colorado City, assuming one is available.
It's a pretty serious deal. It's a life and death deal is what it is.
Not just for residents, Fredonia's volunteer fire department covers 500 square miles, including the highway to the Grand Canyon. Kane County helps tourists as well. It's why Johnson declared a local emergency, allowing Kane County to legally respond again while they work things out with the state of Arizona.
The emergency will be over when we say it's over, and we're not going to settle for anything less.
For now, the emergency declaration keeps ambulances rolling, but residents worry about the future of their fight for basic emergency services.
It's going to take a lawsuit for Arizona to realize what they've done, or it's going to take a death of someone.
Now, Fredonia's mayor says they have looked into starting their own ambulance service, but that would cost an estimated $1.2 million a year, and that is more than the town's annual budget. Kane County is continuing to cross into Arizona to treat Fredonia residents, but for now, they're staying out of the city of Page. We're on the Arizona-Utah state line. Kyle Simchuk, 12 News.
Kyle, thanks. Late this afternoon, the Arizona Department of Health Services, who wouldn't agree to an on-camera interview, told 12 News that they are investigating possible rules violations, but that investigation is ongoing and they don't have a final decision.
And in